Hello guys, so this is the second episode for cleaning the intake system. If you have seen the first video, I have cleaned the intake manifold and now I'm going to clean the intake valves. To do that, I'm going to use this product from Licky Moly that is specially designed to help cleaning the intake system for diesel engines, and it says that helps to clean the carbon deposits, oil, and all kinds of impurities. Now, according to the instructions, you need to leave the engine idle for 2 or 3 minutes till it reaches its running optimal temperature of 90 degrees, and connect this hose to the intake system as close to the intake manifold, and spray it in waves like 2 or 3 seconds and at a constant RPM of 2000 RPMs. And once done, you need to leave the engine idle for 2 or 5 minutes to let all the debris out of the system. So we can start. Alright guys, so now this hose is connected near the intake manifold. We can start the engine and start the procedure.
Now we need to leave the engine idle till the engine temperature has reached 90 degrees, and you need to find a way to press the gas pedal and keep the engine at 2000 RPMs. In my case, I have used a wooden block. At this point, we can start to use the product. Remember that you have to spray it in intervals of 2 or 3 seconds, and once the can is empty, you need to leave the engine idle for 5 minutes. Meantime, I would like to recommend you to properly clean the intake manifold before using this kind of products if your vehicle has a high mileage, because there is a big chance that the intake manifold has lots of carbon deposits and it will decrease the product performance to clean the intake valves. I have also made the video of how to properly clean the intake manifold, so if you want to learn how to do it, you can click on the video on the bottom left corner, or you can follow the link in the description.
That's it guys. So I need to say sorry for not making a video before and after. I'm pretty sure that you'll find lots of videos like that on the internet, on YouTube. But what I can say though is that I made this record 3 weeks after I have used the product, and I can say that there is no more engine stalling, there is no more rough idling, so it seems that it brought back to life the engine performance. I don't have nothing to say about fuel consumption though. I will need some more time to investigate, but at the end it was a good investment for me and a good thing to do that on my vehicle. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give the like button and subscribe. See you next time.